Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 LDV V80 stock number 6418. This ran from the first 2016 to the current show. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, left rear door 1 dent, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, heater AC controls, automatic gear shifter, factory touchscreen stereo, instrument cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel,